In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in security and privacy, again scroll down, go in biometrics, tap on fingerprint, tap on continue, tap on next, select the screen lock. I am selecting pin. I will simply enter the pin. Now it is saying to place your finger on the power button. Let's place it. You have to move around your finger like this and this. Place your finger from the different angles. As you can see, fingerprint is added. Now simply tap on done. Let's unlock the phone by using fingerprint. I will simply place my finger here. As you can see, phone is unlocked. So this is how you can set up fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel